We recently had an energy audit on our house, and one of the recommendations that caught my attention was to replace the aerators on our faucets. The technician explained that upgrading or cleaning our aerators could make a noticeable difference in both water flow and efficiency. When I asked if adding a water-saving aerator would decrease our water pressure, he reassured me that it would have the opposite effect because our current aerators were so clogged. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. What is an aerator and why does it matter? An aerator is a small device screwed onto the end of your faucet that controls water flow. It mixes air with the water, creating a steady, even stream while reducing splashing. The bonus is that it helps conserve water by maintaining pressure with less water usage. Aerators are especially helpful for homes aiming to improve water efficiency without sacrificing performance. How hard water affects aerators. Over time, hard water can cause deposits to build up in your faucet aerator. This buildup clogs the tiny holes in the aerator, reducing water flow and eventually causing uneven streams or low pressure. Mineral buildup can also cause water to spray out at odd angles. This is particularly common in areas with hard water, making it essential to clean or replace aerators regularly. How much does an aerator cost? The cost of a new aerator typically ranges from $3 to $10, depending on the style, finish, and brand. High-efficiency models designed to reduce water usage can be on the higher end of this range, while standard aerators are more affordable. It's a relatively inexpensive fix that can make a big difference in both water flow and long-term savings. Water usage, clogged aerator versus new aerator. When an aerator becomes clogged with mineral buildup, the flow rate can be reduced significantly. A heavily clogged aerator may restrict water flow to as low as 0.5 gallons per minute, GPM or less. In comparison, a new aerator designed for efficiency typically provides a flow rate of 1.5 GPM to 2.2 GPM, depending on the model. This means that a clogged aerator could result in significantly lower water output, causing inefficient use of both water and energy if you're using hot water. How much money can a new aerator save? On average, replacing a clogged aerator with a new, efficient model can save up to 700 gallons of water per year per faucet. Assuming an average cost of $0.004 per gallon for water, this results in savings of around $2.80 per year in water costs. If you have multiple faucets, those savings multiply. In addition to water savings, efficient aerators can reduce energy costs if you often use hot water. Heating water accounts for about 18% of a household's energy use, and by reducing the amount of water you need to heat, you can also save on energy bills. This means the total annual savings, when accounting for both water and energy costs, could range between $20 to $50 per faucet, depending on your local utility rates. For us, it also lowers our sewer bill since the city we live in calculates our sewer bill based on water usage. How to replace a bathroom faucet aerator. If you've decided to replace your old clogged aerator with a new one, here's how to do it. First, make sure you have a replacement aerator that matches the size and threading of your faucet. Many aerators are standardized, but some faucets may require a specific size or type. Once you have the correct aerator, follow these steps. 1. Remove the old aerator. Grip the aerator at the tip of the faucet with your hand and unscrew it by turning it counterclockwise. If it doesn't loosen easily, you may need to use pliers. Be sure to wrap the aerator in a cloth or use a rubber jar opener to avoid scratching the finish. Once loosened, twist it off completely. 2. Install the new aerator. Align the threads of the new aerator with those on the faucet. Gently screw it in by turning it clockwise until it's snug. Hand tighten it to prevent over-tightening, which could damage the threads or the aerator itself. 3. Check the water flow. Turn on the faucet and test the water flow. The new aerator should provide a consistent stream without any odd sprays or dripping. How to clean your old aerator with vinegar. In some cases, you may find that a new aerator doesn't fit your faucet, as was the case for me. The replacement aerator the technician gave me wasn't compatible with my faucet, so instead of purchasing another one, I decided to clean the existing one. Here's how you can clean yours using a simple vinegar solution. 1. Remove the aerator. Follow the same instructions as above to unscrew and remove the aerator from your faucet. 2. Soak in vinegar. Place the aerator in a small Ziploc bag and fill the bag with enough vinegar to fully submerge the aerator. Seal the bag and let it sit for a few hours, preferably overnight. The vinegar will break down any mineral deposits clogging the tiny holes. 3. Reattach the aerator. Once clean, screw the aerator back onto the faucet. Hand tighten it, turn on the water, and check for a smooth, even stream. The benefits of replacing or cleaning an aerator. Replacing or cleaning your aerator can significantly improve water flow and efficiency. Not only does it help save water by controlling the flow, but it also restores your faucet's water pressure if it has been affected by clogs. Plus, cleaning is a simple, eco-friendly solution if a new aerator doesn't fit or isn't immediately available. With these two easy methods, you can either replace your aerator with a new one or clean the old one for better water pressure and efficiency, depending on what works best for your faucet. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.